Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best garden hose reel that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best garden hose. The garden hose reels below aren't the cheapest, but they will last you years. A quality hose reel is the best way to store a garden hose, allowing you to do so easily and neatly. They also make winding and unwinding hoses effortless. Number 5 Ely Wall Mount Garden Hose Reel Model 1041. It is a superbly constructed heavy-duty hose reel. This reel is made using rust-proof aluminum alloy and is equipped with the highest-grade stainless steel mounting hardware available. Main features: smooth operation for either perpendicular. Industry best 10-year. Number 4 Ely Garden Hose Reel Cart Model 1043. It is an excellent choice for both residential and commercial use, and rust-proof. Main features: alloy aluminum rust-proof garden. Solid 10 inches tires won't go flat while using it. Accommodate both 5/8 of an inch and 3/4 of an inch hoses. Number 3 Suncast PTW175 Resin Hose Hideaway. The swivel base is really nice when trying to get around a corner or other object. Just be sure to stake it down or you will find the box slides, especially when you get towards the end of the hose. Main features: type of hose storage container. Holds 225 feet of hose. Clean look. Number 2 HoseLink 3025 Automatic Retractable Garden Hose Reel. It is definitely more expensive than its competitors. It is extremely well built, you can tell it's going to last a long time and save you money. Main features: very simple and smooth operation. Wall swivel works great. High quality feel and materials. Number 1 Liberty Garden Products 704 Decorative Wall Mount Garden Hose Reel. The durable steel frame is built to handle years of use and the 4 pneumatic tires make it easy to roll over all types of ground. Main features: built of non-rusting cast aluminum. Perfect for garden tools, nozzles, or 5-foot. Want a decorative look? Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.